Hello, and welcome to my beautiful college kitchen. Today we are at the Coffee Counter, sponsored by Central Park, New York. My name is Morgan. If you're new, we are going to be making our easy iced coffee recipe through our handy dandy Keurig. First thing first, turn it on, making sure there's enough water for your coffee dreams to be fulfilled. And second thing second, we are going to take our reusable K-cup because it saves us money and plastic, and we're using the 8 o'clock French vanilla coffee grounds. So we're just going to open this guy up and pour some of this into here. Till it's, pretty full. There's no fill line, so you just have to use your best estimate here. Next, we are going to close the cap and wait for our Keurig to be ready for us. In the meantime, we're going to pick out our favorite mug. So if you can see, this is M for Morgan. She said so beautiful. And I'm a huge hot coffee fan, but in the summer, you just can't wake up and have a nice cup of hot coffee every day. And iced coffee is so much better if you buy it. I feel like hot coffee you can make yourself and it's still almost as good as if you were to go get it, but iced coffee is not the same. So we're going to do our best to make it up to Dunkin' Donuts par or Starbucks par level or wherever you like to get your coffee from. Keurig is ready. We're going to open this bad boy up and put our beautiful K-cup inside. Its lights are blinking for the size. We are going to press the smallest size, and it is now brewing because we want it to be the strongest. If you remember to, it's best to stick your coffee in the fridge the night before, but who really has time for that? Who remembers that? So you can always stick it in the freezer to make it get colder a little bit quicker. It's just so you don't melt all the ice when you put it in your cup, because then your coffee's just gonna be watered down, and we put it on the smallest setting for a reason. So that's kind of dumb. But we have all of our materials here. So you're just gonna take your favorite trendy cup and put some ice into it. Filling that sucker up. And carefully, preferably over the sink, you are just gonna pour your cold coffee over your ice first. Amazing. I'm a pro, no spills. Then you're gonna take your almond milk, preferably sweetened so you don't have to add anything else, but you can if you want. So, a little bit of almond milk first. And then to give it some extra flavor, you'll take your favorite creamer and just pour a little bit more of that. I feel like a little bit goes a long way. With hot coffee, I usually just do creamer, but I feel like with iced coffee, you need both. Then you will put your cap on, mix her up, and if you need more sweetness, add your favorite sweet and low, your favorite stevia, your favorite Splenda, your favorite sugar. You don't need to go buy out an espresso machine just to make iced coffee, although I'm sure they're amazing and I do really want one. But if you put it on the smallest setting, I think it's supposed to be pretty strong, so it works. And you're all good to go. And enjoy. By doing this and by using my ever so famous reusable K-cups, you will honestly save so much money on buying coffee and on all of the regular K-cups. If you didn't know, these are actually so much more expensive to keep buying these than to just reuse this with a pack of coffee grounds. It might seem kind of obvious, but why doesn't everyone do it then, So yeah, last step is just to sip away and enjoy all day. That rhymed. Really proud of myself for that. Kind of embarrassed too. Have it, and we all know that iced coffee only lasts you 10 minutes anyway because it's way too easy to just drink it all in one sitting. If you like this, if you had fun with me, please make this at home. Let me know any questions. Let me know if it worked for you, what your recipe is. Do you use a different milk? Do you like a different creamer? Give me suggestions. Otherwise, like, comment, and subscribe as usual for more, and I will see you next time.